Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with lesson number 6, that is working with tables. Okay. Again this lesson is based on MS Word. So I opened the MS Word and we are going to work with tables. Okay. Now work with table means what? We are going to insert table. Now what is that table? So MS of Word offers a flexible feature for presenting information in tabular form. Okay, and now it is very useful in organizing and representing data in an effective way. Table is consist of number of columns and rows. Now what is columns and what is row? What are rows? We are going to see it through tables. So quickly we are going to learn how to create table. Our first topic is here, how to create table. Okay, so there are three methods. Okay, there are three methods of creating table. Okay, so we are going to work with your first method, how to insert table. So what you have to do, if you are going to create table, first you have to click on insert tab. This is your insert tab. Okay, you have to click on that insert tab. Then you have to click, there is a table group, you have to click on this table. Okay, now if you want two columns and three rows, so simply you have to click on this two columns or the three columns. Okay, and the three rows. What happened? We have given numbers, so table automatically takes numbers and gives your 1 2 3 4. If you do not want that numbers, now select this table through this icon. यहाँ icon आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. See, this is your icon. ये जो आपका part दिख रहा है, this is your table selection icon. So what you have to do? You have to click on this table selection icon. Am I erasing that? Okay. See, here I have selected the table. Again click on home and these numbers we have deselected. So the table is inserted. Okay, this is the first method. Now if you want to insert the same table using your second method, how can you do that? See, I am placing the cursor onto the left place. Achha. Now what is that your first method? What is your first method? You have to click on insert tab. Okay. Then you have to click on table group and select grid. Grid मतलब आपकी जो जाली है वहां पर. ठीक है, तो select grid according to number of rows and column. Now how to select that? You have to hover mouse over that. Hover mouse means you have to move mouse over that. So hover mouse on table grid. This is your first method. Okay, this is our first method. Three methods are there. So this is the simplest method and this is your first method. Now the second method, how to insert table. Okay, so second method we are going to see. Again we are going to click on the insert tab. Then we are going to click on this table and then we are going to click on this insert table option. Excuse me. Now this insert table dialog box open. This is your insert table dialog box. Here it is written table size, number of columns. So suppose we want the same size row. So what we are going to do? 3 columns. These are your 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3. And suppose we want the 4 rows. So we have written here 4 rows. Now auto fit behavior, fixed column width, that is your auto, means your all the columns are fixed width, all the columns are equal. यहाँ देखो 1 2 3 सारे columns equal है, तो by default fixed column width is there. Okay, if you want to auto fit through the content, you can apply. जितना बड़ा आपका content होगा, table size will be adjusted. Or auto fit to the window, then the table will be adjusted to the window size. So we are taking fixed column width. Okay. Then we are going to click on OK. What happened? 3 columns and 4 rows table will be inserted. So this is your second method of inserting table. What we have done? We have clicked on Insert tab. Okay. What we have done? We have clicked on Insert tab. Then what we have done next? We have clicked on your table group. Okay. Then next is your click on drop down arrow. Okay, this is your drop down arrow. यहाँ देखो ये drop down arrow and click on this insert table option. So what we have done? Insert table option. Okay. ऑटो करेक्ट करते हैं स्पेलिंग को, क्लिक. देन वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स एंड click on OK. What happened? Your table will be inserted. Now the third type of method to insert table is your, we are going to click on third. We are going to again click on insert. Again click on this table drop down option. And the third option is your draw table. Okay. Draw table. So we have selected draw table. Now you have noticed, if I have selected draw table, what happened? My cursor will be changing to the pencil icon. And now I am going to drag this pencil. See? Now if I want to divide the table like this, okay, wherever I am going to draw the pencil, table will be drawn. See, if you want the different type of table, you can use that. Okay. Okay. Let us draw some other table. I have inserted this. Then suppose you want to draw So draw table is used when you want to insert a different type of table. Okay. So now what is your task? You have to draw Ludo onto the word. Okay. You have to draw Ludo. I have shown you how to draw that. Then how to fill that. ये हो गया draw table option. Okay. So this is our third type of method for inserting table. Now if you want to color it, what you have to do, you have to double click it to select, right click, then borders and shadings, and then shading, there is no color, you have to click on any color. Okay, double click to select, right click, borders and shadings, then you have to click on any other color. जब सेलेक्ट होगा तो एक लाइन आएगी आपको, बॉर्डर्स एंड शेडिंग्स, okay. So now what is your task? You have to draw Ludo with the help of table in MS Word. Okay, you can draw your Ludo, you can draw your chess, okay, you can draw any board game using your table. Okay, and you can take out the printout also, paste it on the cardboard, and your game will be ready. Okay, so that is your task. I am waiting for your Ludo pictures. So what you have to do, you have to use the third method. Now what is that third method? Again I'm telling you what is that third method. Third method is where you have to click on insert tab, then table, drop down arrow. Okay, this is your table drop down arrow, and you have to click on the draw table, not on that click, you have to click on draw table. So start drawing your table, start designing your own games, and draw that game and send it on my personal number. That's all for today. Have a good day, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.